In this video, I'll guide you through downloading and installing Facebook on your PC or laptop. First, go ahead and open the Microsoft Store by clicking on the search bar at the bottom of your computer and typing Microsoft Store. Click on it to open. Once the store loads, search for Facebook at the top and click on it. Then click on Get to start the download. If prompted, sign into your Microsoft account or create one. After signing in, the download will begin automatically. Wait for it to finish. Once downloaded, click on Open to launch Facebook. You'll be prompted to create a desktop icon which you can choose to accept. After that, sign into your Facebook account and you're all set. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.